Hello everybody and welcome to a very belated GENT Vigilon system test. Now, it's been a really long time since I tested it and a lot has actually changed. As you'll notice, there's no longer any conduit or anything. Everything is sort of through the wall now, so including like the master alarm and stuff. I haven't put it back up yet because I'm too lazy, and I did all this a while ago and still haven't put it back up. And also the outdoor call point now does master alarm, which is what this really weird, stupid wire looks. It doesn't look very nice, but that's what that's for. So I can actually just, that's a way to disable the outdoor call point if I ever want to, but no real point. And yeah, still got the switch to do manual, what's it called, monitored input, so I can trigger it here or over there. So that means that if that call point is reset, then the alarms will stop, and that call point only does the alert signal. Nothing doesn't do the alarm anymore like it used to. Like I bodged the call point ages ago. Other change, this cable is now twin and earth. I know it looks really bad because it's not very well clipped, but it does its job. It's more solid, it's much better. It goes over to the S3, still broken, but still works. I say broken, I just mean the clips on the base are still shite. And then I think the final change is that we've got both S-quads. I also retrobrighted this S-quad, so it's a bit less yellow. It's still quite yellow, but certainly less than it used to be. And then that is still the voice strobe heat S-quad. Nothing's changed on the call points. And yeah, so I think we should initiate our test. Yeah, we'll start with a call point with the S4 resettable. I like how those sort of continue doing the voice. This is really quiet and I really can't be bothered to change it, so yeah, polls. This S-quad doesn't actually poll. I think it's something you have to change in the comm tool, which I don't have, so but this polls this call point, and so does that S-quad, which is very, very nice. Reset it. I don't know if this is a recent update. I do actually have the key now. I mean, I've had it for ages now, but might as well point it out. Got a bit stuck in there then. And then we'll do, if I can find my keys, where are my keys? They're all the way over here, Jesus. A bit dusty on here. Yeah, this great install. Not very good shot there. There we go, that's much better. Ignore the broom. No idea why that's there. So yeah, let's get that going. That's loud. That's shaking because one of the screws has gotten ripped out for this board. It's a bit shit. Oh well. Won't be testing the heat because it's effort. Hasn't triggered yet though, which is interesting because it is. I can put my hand up here. It is very warm because the sun is right on the shed right now. Well, actually, I think it's gone behind now, hasn't it? It's up there somewhere. So yeah, let me find my spray and I'll be with you shortly. Change of plan. I was going to go and get some... Oh, sorry. I was going to go get some deodorant, but I've got this. Let's see if the dual optical can differentiate between smoke and an inhaler. I know it can't do it with certain types of aerosol like the one that I've got, but let's see if it'll activate with this. For those who don't know, the sensor in these is the bottom ring. The top ring, I think it's just redundant. I think that's just for if they have a sounder. The top ring is always the sounder output. But this, obviously, if it's black, it doesn't have a sounder. That one's white, so it does. We'll give that a test. Let's see. Can it figure it out? Fire engine in the background, eh? Probably coming for me. Imagine. Don't think it's impressed. Don't think it's fooled. That's a lot. My fire engine's going now. Yep, the dual optical isn't fooled by my inhaler. Well, that was a good test. That just proves that these are really good detectors for reducing false alarms and stuff like that. So that's really good to see, actually. I'm not too unimpressed with that, because that just shows that these are really good. So I'll be back with something that will set it off. Right, these normally will go off with a dry aerosol like this one, because these are really quite similar to smoke in terms of their sort of particular formation, but we'll soon find out. There we go. Fooled once more. Quite a long voice hold, as I like to call that. Yeah, I really like the S-Quads. I used to hate them. Those of you who know me on Discord will know I used to absolutely despise these, and I still don't really love how big they are. I mean, look at it compared to the almighty Zyton detector right here. But yeah, they're really good detectors, to be fair, especially these slightly old ones like I have behind me. I like the dual optical ones. This one's just boring, this one's just heat, but the smoke detector ones are really, really good and advanced and really false alarm resistant. Yeah, so that's every device bar this one, but I don't have any means of testing that right now, so I think we can pretty safely reset the system now. That shouldn't re-trigger, they don't re-trigger too much, but we'll find out if it does. Still don't have a key for this. I'm cheap and I won't buy one. Doesn't need one really. Nobody's tampering with a fire alarm system that's literally powered by a extension lead. Yeah, don't think that's reactivating, but tell you what, I like this Lynx. I like the smell of that. It's good. Better than some are shit. Update on the fire alarm shelf, by the way, that still exists. Yeah, so that was the end of this system test with our little experiments with this detector. It did not go off with an inhaler, which is interesting. But yeah, thank you for watching. That was certainly a nice system.